right, ready, set, go.
Hi. Oh, y'all just heard my stomach. It was loud. Guess who's finally getting their hair done? Me. So I found somebody in Miami Gardens to do my hair. Today's Friday. It's 8:58 a.m. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna get some passion twists. Because it's just something that doesn't take long, you know? Okay, already. But it's something that doesn't take long, and I just need this hair done because I'm so tired of everything else. I don't even want to touch it. Let me tell y'all what I went through this morning with this hair, because you know how the braid stylists, they be having all those rules and instructions before you come. So one of her rules was if you got natural hair, don't book. Child, this hair is natural. And I mean, pum hair natural, baby. You know, girl, I was popping myself with the comb this morning. Like, stop moving. I was like, like I was having a 2-person communication with me in this hair. So let me take you through the process. So I got up, washed it, conditioned it. Then I had to sit the leave-in in there, which I got some really new nice leave-in by Cream of Nature. I don't know if it's good, but it really makes your hair moisturized and it's easier to detangle. So did that, combed it out, which that was it the worst? No, that wasn't the worst part. The worst part was taking the dryer with the little comb on it, you know, and going piece by piece and trying to pull it out. So then when you pull it out with the dryer with the comb in it, you know, you get the top part, the roots and everything straight. And then, because your hair natural, you got those ends going crazy. So then I had to pull out the flat iron the ends, trying to get it as durable as possible. Get that thing to where she won't have to be like, because I think that's what you want to avoid. You know, that takes up a lot of time. You know, you should come with your hair straight, and I understand that. So then I did that. And then for it not to curl up again, I put these little braids in it. And that's where I'm at. And my appointment is at 9:30. I just need to go get some money. Look at this hair, child. Excuse my 7 head. Yes, my forehead is huge. Excuse it. But look at these braids. I'm kind of proud of my hair. It's looking kind of healthy, too. And I'm going to try to keep it healthy. So that's why I'm getting this protective style. And I might get braids all year, girl. I don't know about that person who was like, oh, you can't wear braids or plaits in the club. You got me messed up. I'm be in the club with my plaits or my braids or whatever I'm getting. But right now I'm getting the passion twist. So it should be cute. And I'm going to definitely show y'all when it's done. I don't know about vlogging inside of there. I don't know the woman. This is somebody I found on Instagram again. But certain people that I follow, you know, that I know, not like celebrities, they follow her. And it looks like she has really good work. So I'm going to try her out. And if she's good, I'm keeping her. I'm under a bridge. But yeah, I just gotta go get some cash because she prefers cash. And yeah, look at my hair. Oh, look at this little piece when it come out. Oh my goodness. Just pull it on out, girl. It's struggling. But I'm not. My hair got a little hang time, y'all. I didn't even know my hair was that long. I really didn't. I did not know my hair was as long as it is. It's crazy. And it's getting nice and thick. Proud of it. Fun fact, I had dreadlocks. I had locks for 6.5 years, and then I cut them off bald. Completely cut them off because I was ready for a change. I was just tired of the same hairstyle every day. I felt like I always looked the same, and I don't like that. So cut those off 2 years ago, and I've been natural ever since. Never, nothing. I rarely put heat on my hair. Today was the last time the first time I put heat on my hair since I got my hair done for my birthday last year when somebody did it. Yeah, so I'm super natural, and I like it. I like being natural. But when it comes to maintaining that natural hair, that 4C, bae, you got to pull out the heavy artillery. Boy, I was talking about. And that thing, you got to hold it. I was fighting it, but we made it. And we're here, and we're getting this hair done. All right, so I'll show y'all my hair when it's done. And I think this is going to be a weekend vlog because it's Friday, and I'm looking to have some social interaction. Is this it? Some social interactions this weekend. Heighten my spirit. But yeah, I haven't been on in a while. Main reason I haven't been on, I'll tell you right now, is because my house was going under construction, meaning they pulled out every last window in my apartment and put new windows in there. There was men in there. I had anxiety. It was like 6 men in there, and then I couldn't leave because I don't want them to be along with my belongings. So I had to be up in there, dust flying everywhere, dirt all over the floor. It just made me so anxious. But it's over now. I got new windows. I got some new furniture. I bought me a new couch. Got me that Wayfair jewelry, standing jewelry case. Really nice. I should show that. And a new desk. A new desk for my desk area for my computer and when I work. So I'm so happy about that. Got new nails. And they already need a feel. My nails grow so fast. Oh my goodness. My nails grow really, really fast. And I was trying to see, like one lady I saw at the nail shop previously, she said she doesn't use the oil on her nails. And I was thinking like, oh, maybe it makes when they finish and they put the oil on it. And I was like, oh, maybe it makes your nails, grow back fast. Lo and behold, that was not the reason. Lo and behold, the reason is those people, they use the same oil that they put on your fingers when they done doing your fresh new set. That same oil goes on toes. They don't switch the oil. They put that oil on your toes, on people's toes. They put it back on your hands. They do this. The oil be everywhere. And that's why she do it. So I don't use that oil no more. And I don't think you should use it either. If you see them, like with your eyes, because I saw it afterwards why she didn't do it. She didn't even have to tell me. I realized that after I went to another place. I was like, excuse me. I was like, did she just use the same oil and put it on somebody's feet? And then put it on somebody's nails? No, we ain't doing that. I don't care if you got a pedicure, a manicure, whatever it is. They're supposed to be clean. Feet and nails, they don't go together. That's gross. So I ain't using the oil no more, and that is not the reason that my nails growing fast. So now we know that. But yeah, so I'm on my way. I gotta go get some money, and I'm going to get my hair done, and I'm gonna be back when I'm done. I'm gonna be so cute. I can't wait. See you soon. Look at my hair. 5 hours later, I got Oh, look at my little look at my little ghetto baby hairs, y'all. I didn't know that's what she was doing, but it's okay to try things. I'm okay with that. They're a little obnoxious, but I like it. And my hair is done, and my parts are out, and it's so neat. Look, I should just be driving, right? Okay. But she did so good, and I will recommend her. She is Synth. I think it's like CYNTH. I'll put it on the screen, but Synth the Braider, and she is in Miami, and she did her thing. Look, so pretty. This is just water wave crochet hair, like synthetic hair. And my forehead is so huge, but it's okay, it's me. I better get with the program. You know, 30-some years later, it's still the same forehead. But I'm about to go to Chili's. I'm about to go get me something to eat. I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything today. Ooh, shit. So to Chili's I go with my new hairstyle. Shit. I'm excited about it. This is gonna stay in. I think I'm gonna just do, really, I want to do protective styles for the rest of the year, like braids, plaits. I'm not even kidding. Got like edge control all over my face. I'm greasy, but I'm so happy. It's so cute. I love it. New hair, who this? Thumbnail. Thumbnail. All right, so I'm going to Chili's. It's Friday, so we can get into some things now. But I will pick y'all back up when I get to Chili's. Show you what I get. Do a little food review. All right, y'all like it? Look. Well, don't look right there. Girl, I'm missing a whole plait right there. Look like there ain't want enough hair right there. But you know, I'm glad she didn't take up my edges, because I don't want them to be popping off and breaking off. That's not the point of a protective style. So she had to leave some of these edges out, and I'm okay with that, because my hair is a little bit you know, what is it called, like you don't want to pull on the edges too much, because you're gonna be popping them out, and nobody ain't got no time for that. I'm so annoyed. Oh, y'all see my updo? You like my hair? I tried to fix my edges because I ain't like those little swoops. They scared me. This scares me too, but I don't want my edges popping out, so I'm just gonna have to be frightened. And my car didn't start. There's a problem with my battery. My battery is dead. It says it drains when I'm stopped. So now I just got in my car, got dressed, got in my car to see if I can go get a new one. And it didn't start. Mind you, last night I had to make my daddy give me a jump. I didn't know the battery was so low. The car didn't even tell me. It did tell me that it was draining at stop, which is not good. I don't know what that problem is. But I've had this battery since I bought the car. I haven't changed it out. So I'm pretty sure in 4 years, you're gonna need a new battery. Kinda annoyed, but it is what it is. So I just did, hopefully it pans out. I just did battery.com, 1-800-battery.com, where they come to your home. They put in a new battery. They replace it. They come, they replace it. They take the old battery. That's the most that I can do, because I want to do something tonight. I'm so annoyed. I tried to come out, get some, you know. But I got on this little cute dress I got for Christmas. Excuse the bra. From my auntie. She bought me this.
Well, she didn't buy it for me. She bought it for my sister, and my sister can't fit it. So guess who got it? Y'all like my earrings? Look at my earrings. My other sister gave these to me. I thought they were so cute. I was like, oh my God, I gotta have those. Mind you, they was a gift for her friends for Valentine's Day, but I took somebody's gift because these are too cute. They are too cute. I love these. So whimsical. Yeah, like a little fairy angel. But yeah, now I have to wait and let them do my battery, and I'm about to go back in the house because where am I going? Nowhere fast. So I'm about to go back in the house after I just got up and got myself together on this fine Saturday. It's Saturday, y'all, and it's like 4 o'clock. I've been cleaning up, you know, clean bathroom, clean kitchen, new sheets on the bed, things like that. Got up, got myself together. Remember, I got my hair done yesterday, and I love it. Oh, and I'm stuck. We're stuck. Hopefully I'll show you guys when the people come and change the battery. Until then, signing off. Take the swing like timber, true. Hey, I'm always talking about, hey, it's your girl, Ira Always, IRAALLWAYZ on Instagram and on YouTube. It's a new day. Y'all, I have been doing so bad at keeping up with the vlogging, but I told myself since it is a new month, what they cackling about? You heard them cackling? But you know what? I'm going out right now. It is Saturday of the following week. Sorry, it's next Friday, the following week after I got my hair done. And now I got it in this cute little updo. I love this. I love my hair like this. It's just get up and go. Got my little Versace on, period. And I'm going to dinner with my cousin. I'm taking her out for her birthday. My cousin Blindy, my love. Taking her out for her birthday. We're going to Quarter Deck on Dania Pier, which is really nice. So I'll show y'all all that, what we get. And everything been good. I got my house all together. I think I told y'all that last time, but I finally got all the mess cleaned up. My house is together. I put up all my pictures that I had off of the walls. Everything looks so good. It feels so good and light when I wake up. The new windows are bomb. These people need to turn. Okay, that's why I hate being in the far right lane when I'm going a distance, because so many turns happen and you're like, so I need to get over, but I'm not, because I need to make sure I'm in the right spot. But yeah, I'm ready to go have me some drinks, cut up, turn up. And I've been really, really thinking about, like, just excuse that. Excuse it. The thing is coming up. I got white seats, as you can see. And I've been trying to, like, cover them for so long. They're still so clean. That thing, I just need new seat covers. That thing keeps coming off. It's so old. And I ain't got time to fix it. So, I'm going to eat. So freaking hungry. And it's on a pier, so it should be really nice. Well, I've been here before. It's really nice. That's why I told her I'll take her there. This person trying to go around me, they so annoying. Like, relax. Relax. I'm vlogging. Mind your business. Alright, so I'm going to pick y'all back up because I'm going to make sure I focus on the road. And I'm going to pick y'all back up when I get to Quarter Deck. reposado.
Oh wow.
Reposado, yeah. Order that. Say hi. Ah, my love. I'm so bad. Like, I need to do better. But you know, there's no competition. I'm not in a race. That's cute.
Unfortunately, we can't make that one.
You can't? Why?
A head here, and maybe it's time for just a change.
I be thinking, I'm like, how people stay at their job for like 38 years?
No, I would never stay at my job.
All that long time, like, more power to them.
Okay, wait, don't start yet. You gonna pee? No,
Okay.
I'm gonna pee. You ready? We gonna see who can drink the shot the fastest with a straw. You won? Oh, you beat me. She won, winner. And I did. Because she can't do that job to retire the way they want. Lobsterness. I ain't gonna lie, like I really I like Gina. I love Gina. You know that's my girl. I love Gina. She's my favorite. I'm a PayPal. I'm a PayPal. Gina. Okay, so Gina is number one. Peyton is number two. I don't know why they don't connect. They are so good. Yeah, they're two different people. Like Peyton is like a different. I love the like you can't fuck with Peyton. There's nothing wrong with it. Peyton is so relatable. To me, growing up where we grew up, she's very relatable. Yeah. The other day, she was like, I just hit 100K, y'all. You hit 100K? I was like, okay, come on. Like, I be like, this is what inspire me. Like, truly, like, all you gotta do is, like, put caution to the wind, fuck everybody else, and do your thing. You know? That's anything in life. Yeah, so I'm so excited about it. My friend gave me money on Christmas to buy my camera, and I think I'm gonna buy that again. Like, the Lincoln stuff is very good content. Like, the way her clarity is like top tier. Yeah. You ready? I think you're ready to come in. Let me see how you done had 4 wins. Let me see how little win. Uh-oh. Is something in there? Nope.
That's it.
It's like carnival shit.
Nah. This shit got lipstick on it.
Oh, hell.
Okay, BB Lil. Oh, I ain't gonna put that on there. Where the girl at? Where the members at? Look how much power that. We got a big problem. What's up? Girl. Talk to her to get the stuff in there.
It's lipstick on the glass.
I see that. But if you want to put it in here, you can put it in here. Child.
Lip is dirty.
But don't pour that in there. Put it on. No, that's spicy stuff. You know who taught me how to braid, Sean?
Oh, yeah?
Sean made me a lot of money. She taught me how to braid. I got to do your sister hair tomorrow. She come calling me at 7:28 in the morning. I ain't even answer the phone. I was like, don't you do you have phone at 7:28 in the morning?
I love it, but then.
No, I already know how she rolls. So I just be like, all right, I'll call you tomorrow when it's time, baby.
This is crazy.
Never call.
Now when she ready to come to this out.
Oh, and you will lay flat, baby. It will lay flat. If you get to talking.
And she said, you think she don't listen? But she know every fucking thing. Don't listen.
Oh, you have it.
I was on video.
Oh, so now the flash wants to come on.
Piece of shit!
What?
Fucking piece of shit!
Oh, yeah. Hey, I'm definitely putting that in there.
Blood
The flash didn't come on all the time. We used to, this song right here, we used to play Lips. Lips was a karaoke song. We used to be singing this song, me and my friends. That's what I remember. Thank y'all so much for watching. I just left dinner. It was so much fun. I'm so happy y'all came out to hang with me. I'm feeling myself, yes. Feeling it! So I'm about to sign off and end this vlog. Ira always, as I always say, Ira in all ways. See me in every type of fashion. Okay? And I'm so thankful for y'all. IRAALLWAYZ on Instagram and YouTube. Catch me there.